Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now today I'm inside my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon, and we're going to be upgrading our cabin air filters with a brand new set of these K&N washable in-cabin air filters. Now the nice thing about the K&N filters is that it is a buy once item. You basically have to buy one set of these and then you can continue to wash them for the rest of your vehicle's life. They're not going to void any of your factory warranty, and they're going to fit 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs, as well as 2020 and newer Jeep Wrangler Gladiators. Fit any engine model, any engine configuration or trim, and it is a very simple installation. Now with this, you are going to get the two filters here. You'll get your K&N decal as well as all your instructions, and then you're also going to get a nice sticker here that says "Stop, do not discard." That's to basically let anyone else know if you do sell the vehicle that they don't need to throw these out, that you can just simply wash them. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to pull out those factory filters. We now have 7,000 miles on my Gladiator, so I also want to see how those factory ones are looking. But today we're going to get these installed and show you how you can do it to your Jeep too. Alright, well I am sitting in the driver's side seat, and I'm basically going to show you how to do this while I'm on camera. If you were doing it off camera, you can definitely sit right here and just do it nice and easy. But the first step is actually to release your glove box like so. And then on this side, you're going to have a small little catch, and you're going to pull that up towards you. You'll hear a small click, and then it'll pop right out. Now you can see that right there is that small little piece we had to pull out, but obviously the glove box is still catching, and that's because there is a small piece up top that we have to push back to drop the entire glove box. So now you can pull that out, and this is the catch here, and then right here is going to be that small hole that you need to release that lever off of. And we can set that aside and gain access to our in-cabin air filter. So with the glove box removed, we can now gain access to our in-cabin air filters. We'll simply depress on these two clasps right here and then pull this piece right out. Now behind there, we have our single in-cabin air filter, and this will simply go kind of like an accordion there, and we can kind of pull it out very easily. So on our factory one, you can see that we do have some debris in here. You can see there's some small particles in there. There's actually a little bit of a leaf there. This one isn't too bad, but it definitely is working. Overall though guys, this is a paper filter, and you can see even in there's a lot more. And that K&N reusable one is going to be a lot better than buying a ton of these in the future. So let's get those installed now. So as you can see, right here is our brand new K&N piece. Now this actually comes as a two-piece design with a nice rubber exterior, and then you can see all of your filters in there. The nice part about this is it is metal bound and they are rewashable, so you can basically wash this and have it good to go. Definitely feels like a nicer piece in the factory, and it's going to last a long time. Now what you're going to want to do is take your first one and slide it in, and you can see the K&N logos on the outside, and then we will just slide that towards the outside of our Jeep. And then we're going to take our second one with the K&N logo also on the outside and just slide it right in next to it. So you'll want to push them all the way back and make sure they're nice and secure. And that's going to be it on that install. Now all we have to do is put everything back on that we just took off, which only requires us to take this piece here, go at about a 45 so it slots in, listen for those clasps to shut, put our glove box back in, and we are done and good to go. Well guys, that's it. It only took about 5 minutes for us to do this entire install, and we needed absolutely no new tools. And this is going to be a great installation if your in-cabin air filter does seem to stop working, and the way you'll be able to notice that is if you start to smell more from the outside. You can notice that if you see smoke, if you see, an open field where they just plowed or put out some fresh manure on there, you'll be able to smell it more easily inside the cab. Overall, a new cabin air filter is going to increase the ride quality and just the overall enjoyability of the inside of the vehicle and help your air conditioning and heat run a lot more efficiently. Now this K&N kit is a lifetime usable kit. So be able to put that in and take it out every so often. Just give it a nice wash using K&N's wash treatment, and then throw them right back in there and be good to go. What I like about these is that you can basically get them for any vehicle that you have. So not only for your Jeep, but for your truck, for your car, you can search on K&N from CJ Pony Parts and pick up just about any one that you need. Now I hope that this is going to increase the just smell and overall odors on the inside of the Jeep, but we'll see taking it down the road. I'm really happy with this installation. No tools were required, and you can do this right in your garage. You can do it right in the parking lot or where you get any of your packages delivered. Overall, guys, this simple installation is going to increase your driving experience, give you a nice fresh air feeling inside your Jeep, especially in these winter months where you have all the doors and windows closed up. If you want to check out this part as well as many other great parts for your Jeep, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com.